Okay, wake up, guys. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's an early Tuesday morning, 9:38 here on the East Coast in Gaithersburg, Maryland, guys, and we're ready to hit the ground rolling with my hot new video series. I'm calling it, guys, Build a List, Build a Business. How to make money on the internet with email marketing using automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And in classic form, guys, I got my misspelling down here. See? So you guys can't say I'm not consistent, right? The misspellings. So anyway, guys, let's dive in, right? Okay, guys, I shot a couple of, I would call them, videos just before I actually got into the first real official video that I'm doing in this series, guys. And it's just an educational video. If you guys already know this, then this ain't for you. But for brand new people who are looking for ways to make money on the internet, guys, and you don't know what email marketing is, and you don't understand the awesome power of what email marketing can do for you, right? And then what it can do for any business once you incorporate email marketing into your particular marketing strategies, then you're going to find this particular series of great value, guys. It's absolutely free. So if you're finding me for the very first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys, because as you go through this series, you're going to understand exactly what email marketing is, guys, and exactly how you can incorporate automated marketing systems and sales funnels into your email marketing campaigns, guys, and how you can make money online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year on complete automation, guys. That's what it's about, right? In a video I did, I think one of the videos I did just over the course of the last couple of days, I was talking about working smarter and not harder, right? And if you can set up a business, right, and you can automate the actual process, guys, and let me talk about that for a second. When I talk about automating the entire process, well, we're going to be talking about it anyway, but if you can automate that process, then you ain't got to work yourself to death, right? I mentioned the fact that I don't want to be on the computer all the time. I love doing the videos, but I really want to, what I'm moving toward here, guys, and what hopefully you guys will be able to take away from this particular series, I'm really trying to get down to a serious 7-hour work week, videos and all, right? All I want to do is spend a minimum, well, I shouldn't say a minimum, a maximum amount of hours I want to spend online is 7 hours, right? And I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to do it. I'm going to create a 7-hour work week. Basically, I'm putting this together right now. I'm going to do it. I'm going to prove that it works just working 7 hours a week. And basically what I said in another video is I asked the question, if you can make at a minimum $200-300 a day, guys, working just 7 hours a week, why wouldn't you do it when you can automate the entire process? And so you're going to learn the things that you need to learn to be able to do that in this series, because I'm actually doing it. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. You guys are going to see me doing it. You're going to see the tools I use, the resources I use. And ultimately, guys, you guys will be able to do this too. So it's a free email marketing crash course, so to speak. We're going to be talking about it. Now, that process, guys, when we talk about email marketing, begins with building a list, right? And if you can build a list, you can build a business. If you can set up your own email marketing campaigns, right, you can make money on the internet. If you can start building your own list, you can build a business. And if you can incorporate email marketing into it, you can also build your business around automated marketing systems and sales funnels. Fair enough? Simple enough, right? So today, guys, before we get into all the different things I'm going to be talking about, we're going to talk about some of the things that you're going to be able to do, right? And then actually incorporate into your business. So yesterday, let's get back on my little screen right here. And I actually talked about, I'm just going to enlarge this a little bit. I actually talked about email marketing as it relates to automated marketing systems and sales funnels. I talked about the three components of email marketing and automated marketing systems and sales funnels being having a high converting offer, right? A marketing system, which consists of, that capture page. When we talked about the purpose of that, to get particular prospects on your list of your potential target audience. And then we talked about that whole thing being actually built around a sales funnel, because that's what I'm talking about. And we talked about the fact that traffic is what makes it all come together, okay? That's that thing that fuels your automated marketing systems and sales funnels. So now, guys, what I want to talk to you about today, and I'm going to leave a link in the actual YouTube video description. I told you guys there's always going to be a link, right? Always a resource, a tool, some training, a tactic, a strategy, something that you can use, right? Some information that you can tap into to educate yourself on the fundamentals of email marketing and how to start building your business, right? Piece by piece. But basically, when you have these things all together, when you acquire this knowledge, you can put it all together, guys, and you can make email marketing and automated marketing systems and sales funnels work for you. Okay. Now, what I've done is I went and I pulled up an article, and it's talking about 10 eye-opening email marketing stats that you need to know, because I don't think most people really realize it. And one of the reasons I decided to do this series, because you guys hear me coming from an angle most of the time when I'm talking about automated marketing systems and sales funnels, automated marketing, sales funnels, and systems. You're probably, what is he talking about, right? Again, this is for random people. So I decided to go from the email marketing perspective so you could understand, right? And so you're going to see. You're going to just see it, right? And so at any given time, you can check the links out that I leave in the YouTube video description area and pick up valuable information that you can use to educate yourself, particularly on email marketing and as it relates to different tools, tactics, strategies, and training that you can use to incorporate, or should I say execute, starting your own email marketing business. So today it's about the 10 eye-opening email stats that you need to know. I'm only going to read a couple. I'm going to leave the link in the YouTube video description, and you guys can just go down and click it and pick it up, right? It's a free guide that you can get up here. So go down and educate yourself, guys, okay? Because that's what this is all about. But number one, guys, what you need to realize when it comes to email marketing is email marketing is used worldwide, right? Worldwide. Right now, it's according to Redicatti's 2016 emails statistics report. Email will be used by 3 billion people by the year 2020. What year is it, guys? It's 2018 already, right? So just let your mind marinate around that for a second. That's almost half the world's population, right? Okay. Out of the other half not using email, 16 billion people still don't have electricity. Okay, so if you're doing business in the developed world, right, which we happen to live in, if you're in the United States and other parts of the country, your customers are actively using emails. Make sure you are as well, guys. That's just a little tiny statistic. You can just let your mind get wrapped around real quick. Number two, guys, 2 billion emails are sent every single day. Right? I said 2 billion. That's number two. But billions of emails are sent every single day. Number three, emails return on investment. You probably heard terms like ROI, right? Is massive. Okay? If you can build a list, guys, you can build a business. Okay? Number four, email grows your business. That's what I'm talking about, right? If you can build a list, you can build a business. Think of it this way. As you go out and you start building your list, which a lot of you guys are going to do because you're going to see the awesome power of email marketing, and a lot of you guys are going to go out and you're going to start doing it. You know what I mean? And big props to you in advance, because I know that you guys are going to get this. But think of it this way. If you were building a traditional business, guys, you have to figure out a way to get customers, right? I don't care, you got to figure out a way, whether it's radio advertising, advertising on the internet, business cards, right, or flyers, or whatever, you know what I mean? Because there are all kinds of ways to market and promote your business, both online and offline. But imagine this, right? If you could, right, go out every day and hand 1,000 different business cards to to 1,000 people, right, every month. Okay, 1,000 people, you would be able to get your business cards into their hands every single month. By the end of a year, guys, you'd have 1,000 people with your business card in their pocket. Now, all of them going to use your business card and go to the website you tell them to go to or wherever you tell them to go? No, but a portion of them will, guys, okay? So think of email marketing like that, guys. You're building a database of people who might be, if they take your business card, interested in your business. Now, what email marketing is going to allow you to do is to automate that interaction, to automate that engagement. That means you can write out a series of emails to continue to correspond with those people with your business card, so to speak, anytime you want to. And you can set it up so you can do that on automation. So again, guys, if you haven't grasped that concept right now of the awesome power and the beauty of automation as it relates to email marketing, you need to let your mind up. Kind of get wrapped around that concept as well, okay? Facebook can't compete, right? You guys, I know you guys don't believe that, right? But when you're looking for the most direct way to reach and interact with your audience, it's best to turn to email, because everybody checks their email, guys. I know you guys probably got a mobile device, and you know that you do it. Whether you actually open every email you get or not, if your mobile device, you get a little ding when you get a notification from, and the way Google got it set up now, you got promotions and you got social and you got your regular email. You're always checking your email, man. And in fact, it's almost a problem. I'm in line sometimes at the store, wherever I'm at, and people are constantly looking at their phones. Now, some of them are on Facebook or they talking to people, but a lot of them are checking their emails, guys, okay? And that's why Facebook can't compete. I know you guys don't necessarily want to believe that, but it's true. Search and other social media can't compete either, guys, okay? Search and other social media outlets or places, they can't compete either, okay? Business communication runs on email. Show me any business with any relative success, guys. I promise you they're incorporating email marketing into their marketing strategy, okay? Again, because it's easy to do. It's automated. You can set this stuff up and it's done for you, right? And here's another one. Here's a cool one, guys. If you can create the kind of content and spark enough interest in your particular target audience, they're going to want to hear from you, guys, okay? That's number 8, okay? Number 9, transaction rates are sky high. And we talked about that mobile device. So number 10, you'll reach a mobile audience as well. These days, everybody has a mobile device. Okay, now I want to leave this link for this particular, it's just some cool information for you guys to be able to tap into. So I'm going to leave the link in the YouTube video description area. I'm going to encourage you guys to remember and think about the awesome, or should I say, let's just the anatomy of email marketing, right? Remember I talked the other day, guys, and the other beauty about it is, we're not just talking about one-off sales here. We're talking about when you understand the anatomy and different things I'm going to be sharing with you, you're going to have upsells, downsells built all in and up throughout here, right? You're talking about some of it recurring residual income, okay? It's a beautiful way to wrap your mind around a new way to start thinking, okay? So hopefully, guys, this has been of some interest of you. If it caught your attention, if it sparked any interest, I will leave this particular link, and this link as well as the other link on the 10 tips or email marketing statistics right below in the YouTube video description area. Go on and grab them, guys, and at any given time you guys want to get on my list and see what I'm actually doing in terms of corresponding with my list, then go on and feel free to do that as well, guys. And so hopefully I wanted to get that out of the way before we move forward. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning into the Build a List, Build a Business, How to Make Money on the Internet with Email Marketing using automated marketing sales systems and sales funnels video. I appreciate it so much, guys. And I'm going to fix the misspelling, guys. Get off. Don't worry about the misspelling. Worry about the message. Anyway, guys, as always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and happy Wednesday to you. I'll see you in the next video.